Namaskar. Today we see the how to compute quartiles and median for a discrete frequency distribution. So the last lecture we compute these values for individual data. Now today we calculate for these values for a discrete frequency distribution. So for discrete frequency distribution, we do that first we arrange the data in ascending order. So here already the data is arranged in ascending order. Now corresponding frequencies are here. So to compute these values, we prepare a column of cumulative frequencies. So here in observation table, we write the given data in two columns x and frequencies, and then prepare a column of cumulative frequencies, less than cumulative frequency. So compute these values. So 13 as it is, 13 plus 19, 32 plus 81, and so on. Here we get the cumulative frequencies. The last value is nothing but the sum of the frequency, that is 333. Now use the formula for computing all these terms. So first is to find median. So to find median, formula is median is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by truth observation or truth atom. Or this we can write as value of, we get as capital N is nothing but the sum of frequencies, 333 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 334 divided by 2 is equal to 167th atom. So after defining this value, that is n plus 1 divided by 2, see the just greater value in the column of cumulative frequency. So here 167 is n plus 1 divided by 2, and its just greater value in the cumulative frequency here 230. And its corresponding value of the x variable is a median. So here 6 is a median. So median is equal to 6. So here in this data we get the median. Similarly, we compute the first quartile and third quartile also. So to find the first quartile, we use the formula. Quartile means we know that data divided into 4 equal parts. So to find Q1, second is, so Q1 is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by 4th atom, divided by 4, because we compute the quartiles, and quartile is nothing but the data divided into 4 equal parts. And which quartile we can define? So first, so 1 into n plus 1 divided by 4th atom. Substitute here capital N, so value of 333 plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 34 divided by 4th value, 4th atom, and after calculating this we get as value of, which terms here we get 8, then 83 and 5th atom. So 83.5th atom. So see the again, see the just greater value of CF is 113, and its corresponding value of x random variable is 5. So Q1 is equal to 5. So here we get Q1 is equal to 5. Here the important step is, after this value n plus 1 divided by 4, which value we get? See just a greater value than these terms. Here in this example 83.5, just a greater value of CF is 130, of observation 5. So Q1 is equal to 5. Same way we can define the third quartile. So Q3 is equal to 3 into, that is value of 3 into n plus 1 divided by fourth atom. So here only the change is here, value of 3 into this one. So 3 into, and we get here the value is equal to value of multiply by 3. So here we get 250.5th atom. 250.5th atom. So say again just a greater value than this term, and here this we get as 291. Corresponding its x value is 7. So Q3 is equal to 7. So by this way we can we compute the quartiles or median for the discrete frequency distribution. So x and f, these values are, data is like in this form, then the calculation is this one. So here first prepare a column of cumulative frequency and find all these terms. Okay. Now we see these quartiles and median how to compute for a continuous or grouped frequency distributions to the next lecture. Okay, thank you here.